Hello everyone, welcome back to Motovan TV. Today Bart and I are going to proceed to the unboxing of the new TCX Street 3 boot. So Bart, I see you have a pair right there.
Yes.
You have the brown pair.
Yes.
And here we have the green and brown pair. So we can see that this year they changed the model a bit, but it still keeps the same look of the Street series. Except they did a bit of modifications, of course, to make the boot lighter, more comfortable.
Okay.
So as far as protection goes, now we have the D3O protection.
Yeah, I saw the tag here. So what is the D3O?
Well, D3O is kind of a memory foam, if we can call it. So it's very light. It takes the form of your foot. And exactly, much lighter, much more comfortable. And another thing that they added is they changed the inner sole to what they call the Z plate. So it's a metal plate, but it's formed in a way that it's much, you still have the same great protection, except it's much more comfortable when you just walk with the shoe.
Okay.
So more of a natural feel for the foot when you're walking instead of something really stiff.
Yeah, not like a ski shoe.
Like a ski boot, exactly. Yeah, exactly. So even more comfortable for when you're riding with friends and you stop to go eat, you walk into a restaurant or whatnot, you're gonna see a huge difference as far as comfort goes when you're walking with it.
What I find amazing is that they don't even look like boots for motorcycle. Right?
No.
They just look like casual, like they are very, very stylish. Like,
exactly. And
I love it.
TCX have been doing a great job over the years to make their what we call urban commuting boot to look like just a normal shoe, so it doesn't look too out of place when you're not on the motorcycle.
Yeah, so it's very cool because I mean, like, if you ride your motorcycle to go to work, you don't have like to change your boots, you know, like to look more casual.
Exactly. And these boots, I have a pair of the old model, and exactly, I come to work with the motorcycle and I work all day with them. I walk all over the office, and I don't feel them as being a motorcycle boot at all. So I could wear these all day long. So they really did a good job. Right here, like we said, we have the green and brown. There's the brown there. Exactly. They come in black with the white sole, and also you could have the Gore-Tex version. So with the
waterproof.
Waterproof, exactly, with the Gore-Tex membrane, or what they call the air version, which is a mesh fabric. So a lot on really warm days, it breathes a lot better. Yes.
Okay. So here we have the men's model. Do they have models for women?
They have models in women sizes as well. One thing, Bart, I forgot to tell you is they modified, on top of modifying, they're putting the Z plate inside it. I don't know if you noticed, but there's a new sole. So this is called ground track. So you can see the tread is a bit more aggressive, so it adheres better to the ground,
the foot peg also.
And it has a little bit of a higher profile than the previous one, so you're a bit more stable when you're on your motorcycle.
Okay. Yeah, I really like the treads because I mean, like when you have your foot on the pegs, sometimes like it's gonna slip, but with these, like no way it's gonna happen.
You can slip, or when you have metal pegs, not rubber pegs, you can feel the peg, and with this sole, I'm confident that you won't feel the peg at all as being a problem. So kudos to TCX. They did an amazing job with these new Street 3 boots.
Yeah, and just also I see, like, talking about the style, something that I love about it is all the little details. And here, for example, the little Italian flag. I think it just looks amazing. I noticed here on the toe that the pattern of the shoes is slightly different.
They have it here on the brown, but not on the green, because this is kind of like a suede finish or a nubuck finish. But that is kind of an integrated shifter pad.
Oh, okay. So there is like maybe more protection here.
Exactly, but just like when you have a normal shoe, when you shift with your motorcycle, what happens is you start getting marks here. And then they look all used up, so that's to protect from that.
So more protection when you shift.
Exactly. Yeah, so that's a wrap for today's unboxing of the new TCX Street 3 boot. For all your motorcycle, shoe, and boot needs, please visit motovan.com.
And if you guys like the video, please subscribe to our channel. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook at Motovan Inc.